What if you were injured in an Illinois motorcycle accident and you were partially at fault? Hi, I'm Josh Rohrscheib. I'm a personal injury lawyer in Central Illinois. And in this video, I'd like to talk to you about contributory fault and how that factors into Illinois motorcycle accident cases. So, in a lot of our cases that we handle for folks, maybe another party was mostly to blame, and maybe our client wasn't perfect. Maybe they were speeding, maybe they were a little bit distracted, but the misconduct of someone else still ultimately caused the accident. And then as they start to pursue a claim, they find that the insurance company is blaming them. We often see that, frankly, in cases involving motorcycle accidents. Often insurance companies discriminate or treat motorcycle riders unfairly because they were on a motorcycle in the first place. It's not right, but it is a reality we see with certain insurance companies. So, whether or not that is appropriate, we should consider how the Illinois laws of comparative fault might apply to your case. So in Illinois, if we can prove that another party was more than 50% at fault, then you have a right to recover for your damages. Now, if you were, say, 20% at fault, then your ultimate recovery or the total value of your case should be reduced by 20%. That's generally how comparative fault works in Illinois. So if you, though, were more than 50% at fault, then you would not be entitled to recover anything for your losses. So as a practical matter, this can play out a few different ways. Often, motorcycle accident cases are pretty serious. Often, the insurance policy limits of the at-fault party should be offered in a case. And, frankly, often you still have a case, even if maybe you weren't perfect and you had some contributory negligence or some contributory fault, and you should still pursue your case because it may still be worth the total limits of the at-fault driver if it was serious enough, even if you had some contributory fault. Because these cases are more complicated than the more routine, clear-cut liability cases, and because motorcycle accident cases tend to have more serious injuries, I would really recommend that in sorting out these questions and coming up with a strategy to deal with the insurance company, that you don't go it alone. The insurance company, they'll try to get you to take a recorded statement where they'll try to pin more and more of the fault on you than should be appropriate, and a lawyer can handle them for you. A lawyer can protect you from that. A lawyer can keep you from making certain common mistakes that arise in injury cases and maybe save the value of your case or help preserve the value of your case or give you a little bit of guidance on things you can do to help increase the value of your case. In personal injury cases, most injury lawyers will offer you a free consultation to talk about your case. We are always willing to talk to injured folks free of charge to see if we can help them. And in cases where there could be some contributory fault and there's significant injuries in a motorcycle case, I'd highly encourage you to reach out for a free consultation with an injury lawyer. If you have any questions about motorcycle accident law, or if you would like a free consultation, please reach out. Love to talk to you, and thank you for taking the time to watch this video.